Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com. Making this a small video about trades for today, January 26th, 2016. So let's get started without wasting any time. Um, as you all know that I make these before charts and send out to my subscribers and with the instructions what to do with it. This is the chart. This is Euro index. Individual index is the one tells you about individual currency if it is getting strong or weaker. Okay, so euro index, if I'm pointing to the downside after bouncing from here, this is Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we go up A, B, C correction. So the wave one ends here, hopefully, and then it's gonna come down here for B and then go for C. That's the idea. So we went up, we trade nicely for the upside, and then this is the chart I sent out yesterday that it's gonna go up. And when this thing is going up, it will be doing what? To Euro Aussie. That's the pair mostly I'm after because it's moving really good. So, in order to make money, you need to look for the pair that is moving 200, 300 pip every day and then get your 100 pip, 150 pip out of it. So with that, with Euro index dropping means Euro is going to get weaker. So in Euro Aussie, Euro is on the left hand side. So that pair should be coming down. Euro Aussie should be coming down. So I made this chart here. Let me see if I can get. All right. So this Euro Aussie on the 25th January, based on that chart, I made the chart here that is going to be coming down, and the target would be 54.73.55. So what happened? This is what happened. Euro index came from A to B, nice and clean, and I don't know if it's going to go up or not, but first thing first, it came down, nice and clean, and because of that, our Euro Aussie on the 26th today, nice and clean, it came down exactly to the target 54.73.55. Okay, you see how nice and clean these numbers and these highs and lows works. Perfectly calculated moves. So based on that, I had this my year trade from the top to the bottom, 100 plus pip. This is my sell order. This is the SL. I closed that thing around here, even though it went way more to the downside. Okay, it is here. It's just a 55.73, but it went, exactly. You just saw 55.34 is here. So in that area. But enough is enough. If you make 100 pip, that's should take it and run. Okay, when the market, if not, then the market takes it away. Anyway, so this is Euro index and Euro Aussie. Similarly, I had tweeted here. I'll show you. My tweet was on 22 hours ago. So like, watch 82.05 in AJ Aussie yen for a bounce and 67.98 in GJ means pound yen. I was expecting a bounce to the upside in both of these pairs. They bounce, but after poking into my levels a little bit more. But still, if you know what you're doing, then so you see this. This is the one in AJ. I got along from here, and it went way up. Okay, and it is only up here is 80 pip showing. It went up around like 150, 200 pip all the way. All right, and why it went up? Let me show it to you. This is the reason. This is the bouncing area. You see that? So clear. It's 81.63 this high, and exactly from there it came and it went. All right. Right now it is here. Where? Exactly to this high. You see, this is the ping pong. All these highs and lows play a significant role. These candles are amazing. They give you so much highs and lows and exact trades. Okay, like this one. See this big trade? It is off of this. See that? Exactly from there. So whenever price reaches to any of these highs and lows, you watch and you watch for a bounce. A reaction, and if you do get it from 15-minute chart, you take it. This is 40-minute chart as a guidance. It is a guide chart. All right, with my long-term analysis, of course. Okay, we've been shorting this pair like hell. Why? Let me show you if I have it. See, my prediction was from here. From here, it was here when I said it's gonna come down, and look, it came down all the way. Right. So this is one of the pair, and then GJ. Let's say if I have a GJ trade, is here. See that? 69.99. It gave me the I forgot to mark it, but this is the long setup, and my entry is here. SL is here, and this one also went way up. Okay. And why 69.99? Your question, that why not this one? I took this one actually, this one, because sometime it goes. So what happened is that if you take an entry like that, it goes up, you move your SL, it comes and take you out as break even. It's like you never had that trade. So forget about that. It's not even worth showing. But once you are right, then it flies, and it flies big. Okay. So where's that 69.99, and why I took this one? Let me show it to you how easy it is. This is no, not here. This is pound yen. Look at this. This is 69.99. Before I took it because it was here somewhere this low here. Okay, but that was failed, and then it dropped to this low here, 69.99. Gave me a nice setup, and poof, gone. It is also around 100% AB is equal to CD correction, and from there look at it where it is now. Okay, so this is how easy, clean, red candles. All of a sudden, one of these, if this goes, then it would drop to this. If that goes, then it would drop to this. Simple. Okay, and then from bounce from there. No big deal. So you just follow those things. Another thing that I had this pound index. I don't know where the chart. I opened it. I lost it. It's on another computer actually. But the pound index, I showed it on my last webinar that is going to get strong. It was bouncing from the TL, the weekly chart, and it did bounce. Pound got a little stronger, and that's the reason pound yen went up, right? And what about pound USD? So all I have for that is this from the other computer. I copy that picture. You see this? This is also very nice, bounce from a pivot point support, and this is the main pivot. This is S1, this is S2, and you can up move, nice clean setup here, and gone with the wind, 140 pip, and it is there right now. I think I close all of those trades so far. So but these are the trades, and you see that how easy it is. So this system, um, magic IB or EB system, what I call it, engulfing candle, engulfing bar, very easy candle, very easy to follow, very easy to look at. And for example, I mean, any one of them. You could pound Aussie as well. Um, I had a little trade on that, but not very good. So I didn't make the chart. But look at the pound yen. I said we're gonna bounce from this area first because it's a big weekly area, but it did. Okay, so the next one is when you're dropping, then you drop one of these highs, lows. Okay, easy. And from there it bounces. So you just watch on a 15-minute chart if it is bouncing. If it is, you take an entry, that's it, and it's gone. Obviously, you know that it's in the highs right now, so it's not gonna go up after going that big of a move, and then it's gonna probably retrace back to this low maybe here. Okay, this is a big level also. So I'm gonna make the chart and send out accordingly to my subscribers. So if you want to learn all of these, also my previous webinar, you can see video, you can see that how I do analysis and make the before charts, upload on my website. For example, this is my website, and oh, here. Okay, so all of these before charts are here. Okay, this was a pound chart I was talking about. The pound will drop. It did exactly here, and the new chart is that it's going to bounce from here, and it already started bouncing, and that's the reason I got pound yen long and pound USD long for those kind of pippage, 100 and 150 plus. Okay, so you can do the same. Just it's a matter of learning. When you join, you get the membership that you can come in my website, and in this area you can not only get all the before charts as well as you able to watch all my previous webinars, which are hundreds of them uploaded on my website. And you can learn all of these. How do I draw these candles? Tomorrow I have a webinar explaining this whole system again, because when I get new people, they are a little confused what to do, how to do, indicator loading, uploading, this and that. So I do explaining webinars every week, at least once, so that people understand exactly how to open these charts and make them look like this, my charts, and then trade the way I do and trade the way I teach. So it's very easy. Okay, just go on my website, subscribe, and you'll be start learning in no time. Okay, and be able to trade exactly the way I do. Okay, so this is it for now. Euro Aussie, you know how it dropped and it's going up. So I think I have a small entry right here. See, it is going right now. This buy entry here, right from here. This is the level. I just showed you that it's gonna drop there and then bounce from there, and it did. Let's see how far it's gonna go. 55, 54, 55. That's where it gave me the long entry, and I took it. It's a slow time, so it's not moving right now, but I don't care if it start moving. Oh, I forgot to put a stop. Okay, no big deal. It's not going nowhere. Everything is under control. So this is it. If you like what you see, go on my website, subscribe, and start learning and start trading just like this. Okay, hundreds of tips waiting for you. All right, so get going. And this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a very, very wonderful day or night, whatever you have on your side.